Hello, it's me again, Noel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! And today, I will be sharing with you some of my Tokyo Revengers toy collection. Nagsimula akong mangolek netong January lang, 2024. And now, it has been more than 3 months already. And hindi ko pa kompleto lahat ng mga lines ng laruan ng Tokyo Revengers. But I'm very happy to share it with you yung mga ilan sa mga figures na nakolek ko so far. So, sana ma-enjoy nyo yung episode today. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe na. And sana sa mga nakapanood nito at hindi pa subscriber, please mag-subscribe na kayo and like and share the video. Mag-comment na rin kayo, lagi akong sumasagot. So, without further ado, let's start my Tokyo Revengers toy collections! Yay! So, let's start with my Ichiban Kuji Master Lee's Holy Knight Decisive Battle Arc complete set ng Tokyo Revengers. So we have 2 figures of Mike Kisano in the future, yung 12 years niya. And then we also have the Black Dragon. And I'm so fortunate dahil na meron din ako nung last one, which is yung si Mitsuya at the back. So sobrang laki na itong figures na to. They're like twice the size ng mga regular na Bandai Spirits ng Tokyo Revengers. Mga 18 to 20 cm yung taas nito. Of course, I have Kokonoy and si Inui. And then, this one, ito naman yung version B ng bust size ng Tokyo Revengers. Very limited lang yung mga characters na merong available. But I really love this. Of course, si Takemechi, si Draken. Yan. And then, ito naman yung aking Excite Motion Espresso ng Tokyo Revengers. Dalawang characters lang yung ginawa nila, and of course this is si Mikey and si Izana. I really love this figure. Na-review ko na rin siya last time sa isa kong post. What I really love about this is yung, of course, their flying kicks. And now for this one naman, ito yung mga favorite ko rin to, toys. So this is a Gigo Prize scale figure ni Chifuyu Matsuno and ni Mikey. So dalawa lang din silang characters na merong Gigo Prize na ganyan kalaki. I think it's 1/8 or 1/7 scale figure. Sobrang laki nila. And then this one naman is a complete set of Taito Prize. So, ang last one dyan ay si Mitsuya din. So, gusto ko yung texture nila and even yung costume nila here kasi very different from yung the usual na mga nire-release ng Bandai at ng Banpresto. So, this one is from Taito. So, ayan, nakaupo si Chifuyu, tas nakatayo yung tatlo. And then, ito naman yung mga acrylic na prices doon sa Ichiban Kuji. I think this is price E doon sa isang line ng Ichiban Kuji. And now, this one naman are the Bandai Spirits Banpresto figure size. Ito yung pinaka maraming collection, maraming line nung Tokyo Revenger characters. Almost complete. So ayan, andyan si Shiba, andyan si Baji, andyan si Mitsuya. And si Mitsuya, I think they have 3 or 4 different style. So ito din si Mikey, si Draken, and then Chifuyu, Takemechi, and then of course I love the Tenjiku arc because of their red flowing na costume. Syempre andyan si Sanma, si Kisaki, and si Kakucho. And then ito yung dalawang Black Dragon, we have Kokonoy and Inui. So, ang ganda din nung pagkakagawa nung kanilang costume dito kasi very scaled yung yung texture nung kanilang mga costume. Andiyan din si Kazutora. So, iba pa yung na siya dyan, yung Valhalla, member siya ng Valhalla. That's why he's wearing that gray jacket. So, yan. And tinanggal ko yung base nila. Nakakatayo yung iba, pero yung iba kailangan ng support. Kaya kailangan ng, ano. Pero yeah, definite, lagi silang may base support and mahirap minsan itayo kapag wala. So, this one naman are my noodle stopper collection. So, I have Baji, si Chufuyu with his cat, and then ito the Chinese style na Mikey, and then yung regular ni Mikey with his costume and yung pillow, and then si Takemechi with his cell phone, and then si Mitsuya na gumagawa ng costume, siya yung designer. And then dalawang Yura head. I think merong 4 na characters yan. Wala ako si Mitsuya at saka si Chifuyu. But yan, si Draken saka si Mikey yung meron ako. And then this one, I forgot that line, pero dalawa lang din meron ako. And then these are some of mga chibi and gashapon na gacha collections ko, pero meron pa akong separate na lalagyanan for all the gashapon items ng Tokyo Revengers. But this one, they're so cute, they're so small, pero sobrang detailed, especially yung hair, gustong gusto ko nun. And then of course yung mga acrylic smaller version ng acrylic nila, which are also prices sa mga Ichiban Kuji na lottery. Yan. And then we move on now to this. Ito yung lower part ng shelves ko. Ito yung SPM collection ng Black Dragon. So, si Taiju, si Coconoid, saka si Inupi. But I also unbox some of my duplicate na Q basket. Kaya nakalabas sila, but most of my Q baskets collection ng Tokyo Revengers are all unopened, so hindi ko sila ino-open muna dahil wala pa rin akong lalagyanan. But for now, eto muna yung mga nilabas ko. And then the smaller ones are actually Taito prices din na Ichiban Kuji. Well, na Kuji, Taito Kuji. So, yan, and they're so cute. Pero ano lang sila, 4 lang sila talaga niyan. A, B, C, D lang yan. Tapos wala silang last one. Very small lang. Hey! That's it! So, marami pa akong mga toys na i-unbox. So, hope you like, share, and subscribe. And maraming salamat again sa inyong lahat na nagsisubscribe na. So, see you again sa next vlog ko together with Ariana! Bye!